In this video, we are talking wigs. How to make a U-part wig. Step 1 on making a U-part wig: so the tripod, canva head, hoodie pins, thread and needle, comb, any hair of your choice, and some measuring tape. Choose your wig cap. You can use a spandex cap, mesh cap, a net wig cap, or you can choose a wig cap that is specifically designed for a U-part. They are like this wig cap you can see now on your screen. They have an open cut on the front. How to make a U-part wig. Step 3: your head measurements. First, measure your head circumference.
Put the tears behind your ear in order not to end up with a wig that is too
then
big.
measure from front to back. For the last measurement, place the tape across your head and take the size from your ear to ear. The next step on making a U-part wig: fit your wig cap to your canva head. If you had chosen a regular wig cap like I did in this video, measure out how far back you want your parting space to go, and then take the exact measurement on your wig cap like you did your head and adjust if necessary. When you are done, secure down with a hoodie pin and begin to lay your track. Begin by folding your hair and doubling your track. Then secure down with a hoodie pin on the first end and secure down with a hoodie pin on the other end. This will make your stitching process much easier and faster. Begin to sew from one end to the other. When you get to the end, stitch your webs in an upward direction a couple of times and then flip over. Stitch the flipped end a couple of times to make flat and remove any bumpiness and continue to sew.
And continue repeating the process each time you get to an other end.
When you get to the ends of the tracks, go through the wefts with the needle and secure down. Repeat the process to add fresh tracks of hair. As you get closer to the top, single out your wefts. When you get to the very top, like in the middle of the head, reduce the space by laying your track closer, leaving about an inch in between, and keep an eye out for your parting space. When you get to the parting space, stop and cut out the leftover on the wig cap. The next step is to insert your wig combs, one on each start point of the parting space, one in the middle, one on either side of ear, and one on the back, making 6 in total. Now your wig is ready to be rocked.
Here I'm just showing you how I installed the wig. If you are to wear the wig, remember to leave out the same amount of hair that equals the parting space you left on your wig cap. It will help your wig fit snug and look more realistic. For any questions, leave a comment, or if you have any topic suggestion you'd like me to cover in my videos, leave me a comment here or send me a DM on Instagram at BliaFex. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe.